Hey foodies, Chef Kyle here. Today we're making my favorite dish, mussels, but we're gonna do it my way. So I have my bag of organic mussels in that bag and dig in. And it's been kept on ice so to keep all the mussels alive. So what you're looking for when you see these mussels, you wanna make sure that it's clean. So this is a closed, this is a live mussel. Now something like this, with the barnacle on there, we're gonna have to clean that. So actually just take the back of the knife, you just scrape it. The abyss, pull that off too. That's the part that attaches to the rope. So if it's a little bit closed like this, and you see that it's actually closing on its own, this is good. This means the mussel is still live. All right, the last one, this one's clean. So now that our mussels are prepped, now I'm gonna rinse it in some cold water. Gonna rinse it out. All right, now so I'm gonna prep my mussels. So I'm using garlic, I'm using celery, shallots, and a very little small piece of ginger. That's gonna help neutralize any flavors and help with digestion. So first things first, I got a handful of parsley. Just run through it with my knife. Any information on the ingredients that I use, please click the links in my description. You got some shallots. Gonna peel that skin off. Now an easy way to slice these shallots. Gonna transfer that to my bowl. Same with the celery. Now we're gonna go with the garlic. Remember with stainless steel, you always wanna make sure you actually heat it up. Do that and you see that it's bouncing, that's how you know that it's hot. So now we're gonna coat it with a good swig of olive oil. We're gonna go in with the shallots and the celery right in there. Coat that around. Now we're gonna go with the garlic and the ginger. Mix it around. And add a little bit of salt in there first. I'm gonna throw in my mussels. All the mussels in there. I'm gonna go in with the wine and lid, let it steam for about 2 or 3 minutes. We want to get this action going. So the mussels have opened up, look at that, only took a couple minutes. Let's give this broth a try. Very good. So I'm gonna take these mussels out. I'm gonna get this liquid back in here. All right, so I'm gonna put this on medium heat and we're gonna reduce that down for about 5 minutes. I'm gonna add a squeeze of lemon juice in there, throw in some parsley, beautiful, and a touch of clarified butter. Mix that together. Oh man, if you guys could smell this, it smells heavenly. All right, I'm gonna throw my mussels back in to keep them warm. Get that fresh bread. And if you guys buy bread that you're not gonna use, always remember to wrap it and freeze it. That's how you keep it fresh. Here's my garlic flavored oil. You guys want to see how to make that? It's actually in my short. So it's very simple and easy and super flavorful. So I'm going to pour that on, making sure to get some of that good garlic on there. The garlic slices are sliced super thin. Now I'm going to add a little bit of pecorino romano. Just sprinkle it on there. And this is going to go in my 450-degree convection oven for about 3 minutes. So here, my mussels are ready. My bowl is ready. Everyone's hungry. I'm hungry. Let's go. Look at that. Whoa. Oh, that steam. All right, I'm going to pour myself a nice big bowl of mussels. It smells very good. I smell fresh ocean. Smell shallots. I smell garlic. I smell a little bit of white wine. Some of that liquid gold. All right. I'm going to take some of that garlic bread I made for you guys before. I like it sticking out like that. One in the sauce. Stick one over here. And throw a little bit of parsley on there. This is looking really good right now. I can't wait to dig in. Let me try the bread first, of course. That is so good. Very good garlic bread. Best I've ever had. Now let's try it. There's a little tip to eat mussels. So you could take one of these, 1/2 of the mussel shell, scoop it in. These mussels are super fresh. So much flavor. I could taste the flavor from the broth, the shallots. It's like singing in my mouth right now. I really want to try the sauce though. That's what I'm curious about. Let's try it. Oh, wow. The vegetables are not overcooked. There's a little bit of bite to it. There's the flavor from the wine pairing with the mussels. It pairs so beautifully. Hands down, best mussel dish I've ever made. I can't wait for you guys to try it out for yourself. So if you want more summer recipes, summer's almost over, but check out my sweet potato falafels at the end of this video. Click that link. Check out my second to last summer video.